everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So it's time for a bit of a collaboration. And today's video is about my interpretation of a painting that Gráinne McKenna did. Gráinne and myself, we exchanged some photos of paintings we've previously done on YouTube, and we got to pick, each one of us got to pick which painting we want to use as inspiration. And this is what happened. The parameters we followed weren't very strict. You could do it any size, any style, a direct translation of what you see, or maybe just an inspiration of the painting. I will put a link to the video that she originally created down below in the description box, as well as the link to her interpretation of one of my paintings. I am glad that I did this with Gráinne. She is such a lovely lady. And let me tell you a little bit more about her. She's Irish, as you can hear from her voice when she speaks. First of all, the most beautiful voice I've ever heard, and she's so relaxing and chilled, and I can listen to her the whole day. She's lived in numerous places within Ireland and a few places abroad as well. And in addition to her being a fantastic artist, she has also a science background. She loves biology and biomedical science. Well, if you look at some of her videos, like she's got one up recently of how to paint the human heart. So that's where she gets to combine both of them. She says she's quite nerdy and she enjoys studying and learning new things. And I think that is a great attribute to have. The willingness to learn. I think it makes life very interesting. She's a creative at heart and enjoys work and play, and wherever she can express her creativity. Another thing I found out about her as well is she loves animals, especially cats, and she is a vegetarian. She really loves our animal friends. She loves reading, and like me, she loves supernatural themes, witches, vampires, demons, etc. I think we could probably start a book club together, because yes, that is 100% what I love as well. Any books about witches, vampires, demons, wizards, anything like that. Fantasy. And I think she's been on YouTube for only about 5 months. But the work that she's got up already is exquisite. I love her watercolor skills. There is absolutely no way that I can get to that, because those of you who know me, you know I like very colorful, very bright, very thick paint. And I am trying out the watercolors, but I think it's getting it's getting the best of me. Why I chose this particular painting is I love faces, number one. Number two, I loved her choice of colors. Now, in a sense, we share the same expressive use of color. It's just that Gráinne has mastered the skill of using color in a subtle way. I like mine bold and bright, and she uses bold colors and bright colors, but with the watercolor, it's just beautiful the way she uses it. I had so much fun painting this. As you can see, it's not perfect, it's not in the right proportions or anything like that, but I had fun. I had fun playing around with the colors. I had fun just interpreting her painting into my style. I hope you guys enjoy it, and somewhere here there'll be a link taking you to her interpretation of one of my paintings. Please go and support her, subscribe to her channel, and in future you'll see more of these types of collaborations. I am already busy with another painting of Gráinne's, and hopefully it'll be out soon. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and keep on painting. Bye bye for now.